Hello and welcome back. This is Ron Blaze, and now that we've installed Ninja Notifier, let's go ahead and set up a Notifier app on Facebook so that we can start collecting leads and communicating with our customers and subscribers. So let's go ahead and click on the leads/apps, then click on lists/apps, and we're going to click on this Create FB app. That will open up Facebook in the apps developer. If you don't have a developer account with Facebook, just simply sign up and then you'll have a page similar to this. Now we're going to go back over to our Ninja Notifier and we're going to grab this Facebook Canvas URL and we're going to go back over to Facebook, click on Create a New App. Name your app with whatever name you want appropriate to the list that you're creating. And I'm just going to go ahead and call this QPN. Let's go ahead and call it QPN Tester. And you can ignore the app namespace. You don't need that. And we'll hit Continue. Then we have to put this CAPTCHA code in. And now we're in the app itself. So you'll notice that when the app opens up, there'll be this app ID and this app secret. We're going to use those when we go back over into Ninja Notifier in setting up this app. And you'll also notice that this app is in the sandbox mode. So by default, Facebook puts all new apps in the sandbox mode. First thing we're going to want to do here is go ahead and change it to disabled, so that when we hit save, it'll be a live application. So we're going to take that URL that we grabbed, and we're going to click on this app on Facebook and paste that URL in this canvas space, and then paste the second one, which is essentially the same as the first, into the secure canvas URL. The only difference between the two is this little S. That's all you need to do on this page, other than adding your domain name. So in this particular case, our domain name is qpn.me, and you'll type in your domain name, qpn.me, and then hit enter, and that locks your domain name in for this application on Facebook. Now I'm going to grab the app ID, and I'm going to go back to leads/apps. And then on our apps tab, we're going to enter the app ID in this space and the app secret, which is right below it, into the second box, or third box, I should say. In the top box, the app name needs to have the exact same name as we have on Facebook. So that was App Tester. Otherwise, it won't work. Please, then you just hit the Add App button, and our app is set up there. And in Facebook, we're now going to hit Save at the bottom of the page. You do not need any other settings on this page. It's all ready to go. And then if you want to change the default icon, you'll click on Edit here. And once you've opened up this page, the only three things you'll need to do on this page are find your two primary icons, and those primary icons would be your 16 by 16 little icon that would show at the very bottom of the notification, and the 75 by 75 icons. So I'm going to go grab those real quickly from my computer, and that's my 75 by 75. Oops, hit the wrong one. My 75 by 75 image. And then I'm going to grab my 16 by 16 image, which unfortunately I have in a different location. and my 16 by 16 image. Now the other thing that you will, those are the only things that you really actually have to do on this page, and then you'll just hit Save Changes at the bottom. You do not want to hit the Submit App Detail page. You do not need this, and if you do decide to hit that button, then you will have to then fill out about 15 other fields on this page, specifically the tagline description, the privacy policy, and the terms of service. But if you just simply hit the Save button at the bottom of the page, you don't need to do this, do anything else. And that's all there is with respect to setting up your Facebook. Now you'll notice it says this app is live right now. So we've set up the app on Ninja Notifier. We've set up the app in Facebook. And let me just show one last thing while we're on this page. If you choose to delete your application and you press the delete button, you'll get a warning message telling you that deleting the application will delete all leads, links, and notifications. So you don't want to do that unless you really plan on deleting your application. So I'll see you on the next video.